What do you do with them days where you haven't got any work on? You're waiting for that bloke to sign that contract so that job can start. Do you spend time cleaning out your van, organising your tools? Or just wait around, wait for them to call, checking your phone? No call, no messages. Just waiting for them to give you the go-ahead, checking again? Still no calls, no messages. Well, those things, they're not going to get you anywhere. How about using the information at your fingertips that you have already? The amount of customers' houses I've been round and said, I didn't think I could have them USB sockets. I thought you might need to install some extra wiring. Or another customer that might have said, yeah, I don't want to move that switch from behind the door because I can't be arsed with chasing it all out and having to redecorate after I've just decorated the room. You could send them an email explaining how easy it is to fit these USB sockets. Or send them another email explaining about these kinetic switches. And these little jobs is what can keep you busy and be quite a good earner. And there's a couple of templates inside of the Toolbox Talks for Electricians group on Facebook. So if you jump inside there, change the email, change the phone number, change the logo, change it all to yourself, send it out to your customers and see if they want to book you in for a job.